Binary tree. Binary tree is a very important concept in data structure. The related terminology of binary tree is strictly binary tree, complete binary tree, extended binary tree. What is binary tree? Basically, it is a finite set of data item which is either empty or consist of a single item called root, and to disjoint binary tree is called left subtree and right subtree. This is a pictorial representation of a binary tree. According to the definition, here A is a root and this portion is denoted as left subtree and this portion is denoted as right subtree. Another important concept of this binary tree is the maximum degree of any node is at most 2. It means that it may be 0. For example, if we consider a single node, that is A, this is also a binary tree. Now, if we consider this, here the maximum degree of any node is 1 and here the maximum degree of a node is 0, and here we draw another tree. Here the maximum degree of node is C is 2. That means all of 3 node is denoted, or all of 3 tree is denoted as a binary tree. That means this node has degree 0 and this tree has degree 1, and in that case if we consider this tree, the degree of node C, the maximum degree of this tree is 2. So this is the concept of a binary tree. Next, the related concept of a binary tree is strictly binary tree. Now, what is the definition of a strictly binary tree? In that case, every non-terminal node in a binary tree consists of a non-empty left subtree and right subtree. So, what is the pictorial representation, or what is the meaning of this definition? If we consider a tree that is according to the definition, every non-terminal node in a binary tree consists of a non-empty left subtree. Now, here we see that B is a non-terminal node, A is also a non-terminal node, but here A is a root. That's why we consider B and E as a non-terminal node. So, according to this definition, this non-terminal node, that is B and E, both contain the left subtree. That is, if we consider B nodes, D is a left subtree and E is a right subtree, and if we consider the E node, in that case F is a left subtree of E and G is a right subtree of G. Okay, so according to the definition, every non-terminal node, that is B and E, consists of a non-empty left subtree as well as right subtree. Okay. Next, binary tree related topic is a complete binary tree. In that case, here we see that all the terminal nodes are in same level. Okay. Now, if we consider this is a complete binary tree, in that case all the terminal node means H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. All nodes are same level. So what is the length of this tree or the level of this tree? That is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. So the depth in 3 level or the 3 level depth, all the node, that means the terminal nodes, are in same level. Okay. Next binary tree related topic is extended binary tree. Now what is the definition of extended binary tree? In that case, each node has either 0 or 2 children. Okay. Now if a node holds only 2 children, then it is called internal node, or if the nodes hold 0 children, then it is called the external node. Let's see the pictorial representation of a extended binary tree. This is a pictorial representation of a normal binary tree. Now if we convert this binary tree into a extended binary tree, then here we add some child node, that is that way. Okay. So according to the definition, each node contain either 0 or 2 children. So here we see that each node contain 2 children. Okay. Now if a tree is considered with 1 degree, then we must convert this tree into a 2 degree or with 2 children. This concept is known as extended binary tree, as well as the internal node of a extended binary tree. Okay. Up to this we cover the binary tree concept.